easy to do. I just didn't do it.
Just find out. What I did is I mounted right on the wall, and that's where I park. It goes right there every day. It's getting rid of all the little sulfites that collect on the cell.
I don't know if I could fill it anywhere, but I went back to Maxim, and they checked the battery and said it's good.
Robert's having battery issues. His bike won't start right now.
Yep.
This video is sponsored by Cruiseman's Garage Honda Goldwing Maintenance Video Series.
Well, we're here for our first Sunday breakfast. We've got my bike over here at a wake. Robert's bike's over here to the left of Don's truck. That's Don's pickup. Some other folks over here. I think we have Brian, Road Glides, and Bob.
Good morning, oh honorable press.
Say hello to everybody.
Good morning, guys.
Bob doesn't mind. He
Nah.
loves it.
I have a face for radio, but still.
Yeah, I have a face for motovlogging, as long as I have a helmet on.
What up?
Now, some of us arrived before Awake opens at 7 o'clock, so we went to Einstein's next door for a cup of coffee and just kind of get the party started.
To the point where 10:30 did anything for that matter, but it's like in all the years of riding it, that's the first thing I ran over.
Good to see you. Good to see you again.
It's good. It's all bad. It's just like I'd rather get you.
Funny thing is, a lot of judgment in the county, the way that they and then
At 7 o'clock, it's time to head next door to Awake. When we get out to the parking lot, we can see there are a lot of bikes that have shown up for today's breakfast meetup. I also see a pickup truck back there for DFW Honda. They were represented today. A lot of people standing out looking at each other's bikes and just making friendships. It was really great.
Did you let him know that?
I counted 19 motorcycles and 25 people at this morning's breakfast.
That's the
We ran out like 200-300 kids. They were having a party.
Oh boy.
Other end of the streets.
So you were up late.
All the neighbors were out looking and watching. They said they were kids from everywhere. Somebody backed into somebody's car.
Yeah, I rode in San Antonio in the early 2000s. I took an AL right after
and it was horrible.
I just set all the tools nicely up.
I remember on a Sunday for freestanding. I was going to say, no, he's been told.
I bought some thicker stuff for certain things.
As you can see from this crowd, I think we've just about reached the limit of what Awake is able to handle as far as the crowd size.
Don't use that as much as the other stuff. Yeah, cars are just holding it on to big because I just want to do it.
After breakfast, we go outside where Dale is going to demonstrate an airbag vest that he has.
So this is the mechanical version of this vest. You attach this tether to the motorcycle. You might be afraid that it would set it off accidentally if you stand up, but it takes a pretty good amount of force to set it off. There's also a electronic version that you must recharge, and you attach a device to your motorcycle as well to detect crash. It inflates in just a little over 3 parts of a second. I mean, really quick. It takes about 20 pounds of pull on this to set it off. Anybody want to pull it?
I am not pulling this straight.
I was going to say, my grip is
Yeah.
Pretty hard.
Uh-huh, you're dead. Now watch, it blows this way. Wow. That's some force.
It's really tight. Hand on my back.
Oh, damn. Super. That's the highlight.
50 times more protection than just a backpack, a CE2.
The airbag vest claims to provide 50 times more protection for your back than the normal CE rated back protector. Now it's time to see if we can get Robert's bike started because his battery is completely dead. He cannot start the bike.
It doesn't have numbers,
Yeah, it does. Oh, it doesn't.
right?
Huh?
It's here's 14, so that's, I can see 22, 23, 24. If it's in line, it's that one right there.
Okay. Let me see. Let me see if I can see it. Put your light up there. Yeah, it's the 15 amp, the
15
blue one.
amp, the blue one.
Yeah.
And that's the one we got to pull, right?
Yep. Whenever you jumpstart a 2018 or later Honda Goldwing, you always want to remove fuse number 25 to prevent any damage to your audio system.
Kind of grip it. Yeah, that's it.
What is the fuse? What's that actual fuse go to?
It's for the audio navigation system.
Okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I've got it. All right. So let's jump this thing.
Robert is using the Scosche jump starter, which I also have on my bike, and I actually have it on my Amazon page.
Yeah, but this looks different. Yeah. This looks something.
No, this goes directly. This
goes
goes
in here?
directly into that. Yeah.
Oh. You're not filming this, I hope.
Oh yeah. We're getting all of it.
We edit well, trust me.
Ah, you better.
You'll look like Einstein.
You better. Did it in 5 seconds. All right, do you have to hit boost, Chris?
I don't think so. You can try it. I don't think you'll need it for this. If you had a diesel or something, you know.
Yeah. Mine won't. I drive a diesel. It won't even think.
Damn, that's cool.
Looking at the first jump starter off and in. Right into your accessory.
Oh, okay. And that power distribution hub has an accessory line in it, and it goes everywhere.
So Robert was able to get his bike started. All that drama was now taken care of, and overall we had a great time today. Huge crowd turned up. Just a bunch of great guys. Thanks everybody for showing up. We do this the first Sunday of every month in Carrollton, Texas, at a Wake restaurant on Hebron Parkway. So make sure to come join us. Join the fun, ride whatever you ride, or come in your car. We don't care.